Replace your time-consuming, labor-intensive tape measure layout procedures with Topcon's seamless layout workflow. Create points using Topcon's Point Manager in AutoCAD or Revit and upload them directly to your tablet to bring to the field. Lay out 5 times faster than traditional methods using a Topcon robotic total station. After completing your layout on site, compare the collected points with your designs in Point Manager to avoid mistakes and costly rework. You can update the drawings back in the office with the as-built information on any items that needed to be moved during the construction process. Bottom line, use Topcon's complete layout solution to slash the time spent creating points, lay out 5 times faster, reduce costs, eliminate rework, and allow yourself to bill faster and improve your cash flow.